Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be giving you guys a tutorial on how I achieved this warm sunset summertime rustic look. I don't know what to call it, but it is bomb and I am feeling it. And in this video I featured the colored Raine Beauty Rust palette. And this has been in my collection for a long time, and I came across it and I was like, I need to do a beat using this palette. So that's what I did today. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop into this video. So the first color I'm gonna take in the Beauty Rust palette by Colored Raine. First of all, the palette is gorgeous. I'll be using this color here, Natural. I'll be using it in my crease as a transition color. And I've used this palette before, but I don't think I've ever used this on my channel. Now, when I do my eyeshadow, especially like my transition color, I always like pop it in my crease, but I always take it up into my brow, because when I finish the rest of my face, like my nose contour and stuff, it kind of goes into like the bridge of my nose. So that's how I do my transition color, and it can all blend together seamlessly. So when it's over and done with, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. It basically kind of like contours the eye, if that makes sense. Other one, I have the Smoke Show palette, and I'll link the video. It was like a really black, it was actually a black makeup look, and it was really dark and smoky. I did it for the holiday in 2017, so that was really fun to create. It was pretty challenging because I haven't done black in like a really long time. The only thing with like black, you have to build the shadows versus just going in like full force, because it will be a ham if you don't, if you just be like, oh, I can do black, so black is just black. No, like you have to build colors and build like a gradient. So you see what I did? I just brought the color in to kind of like give my nose a shape and to actually create a shape for the eye. But the next color I'm gonna take is this color in the middle here. It's called Retouch. I'm gonna put that on top of Natural. This is like gonna be warm, like warm. And this is gonna be a cut crease, so if anything like falls down on the lid, don't worry about it. We are going to clean that up later. And if you guys want me to do like a really black smoky eye, because I did it like almost 2 years ago, so if you guys want me to do another video like that, just leave a comment down below and let me know if that's what y'all want me to do, because those type of looks, the most challenging looks, are a lot of fun because you guys get to see my mess ups and we both can basically learn together. And I feel like, you know, that's what we need, to just learn together. So I'm gonna take this Morphe M433 brush to kind of just clean up any harsh lines or edges, things like that. I'm gonna take this same Morphe M433 brush, and I'm gonna take, let's see, I'm gonna take actually Nighty Night, that a little, put some of that on there just a little bit to see how it goes, to kind of deepen up the crease. And we're gonna cut it, so if anything like falls, like I said, it's fine. So I'm getting ready to go to a meeting actually, so this is kind of like a get ready with me. And actually my meeting isn't until like 1, but I wanted to go ahead and film because I already knew like I wanted to do somewhat of a cut crease, and I knew that that would take time. So that's why I'm doing my makeup early, because it's kind of like, it's 9:40. And I don't know, I just like to be on time. Ooh, baby girl. So cute. Camera isn't like, and I'm looking at my viewfinder, the camera is not doing this any justice. This is so cute. I really want to use this dusk color. It's like a warm reddish dark brown color. And I really want to use it. So I'm going to take my same Morphe M433 brush and pack that like right here. You see, what I like about Color Raine is that it gives pigment. Like, ugh. I forgot how bomb this palette was. Like, it gives pigment. Like, I love these colors. Why haven't I used this on my channel before? I've used their lippies before. I have some of their lips. I have a lot of nudes. My mom stole I think she stole my brown color, my brown lippy, which was like truffle. And I want it back, but I don't think I'm getting it back. So I'm gonna take this Morphe brush. I know it's from the Rose Gold collection because it's R. So I'm gonna take this and diffuse any harsh lines and harsh edges. So I'm gonna cut my crease, and what I use to cut my crease is the MAC 242 flat brush. So you want to take a flat brush like this, and I'm gonna take my MAC soft ochre paint pot. You know you're a pro artist when you have to use soft ochre, laying low. What else I used to use? I used to use that a lot, but I use this to cut my crease because it's nice and creamy. And you can use a concealer as well, but just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna use my soft ochre because I loved soft ochre. So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit more so you guys can see how I cut my crease. Hopefully, you don't need a lot on your paint pot, but I just prefer to have that. And you wanna take that and start in the middle. Look up at y'all. See that? How that kind of came up? That's where you want your guide to be, and that's where you want to start with your cut crease. And this, people, is how I achieve my cut crease. So I'm gonna take my Fenty setting powder, and this is in the shade Butter. I actually needed to get banana, but I can deal with butter. And I'm gonna take some of her and actually put it under here so it can catch some fallout. Go into the palette. I'm gonna take this shimmer color here, Dream. And I'm gonna take that, and then take my Mario Badescu Rose Water setting, not Rose Water, my green aloe setting spray. Spray that. This is so gorgeous. I haven't done like a beat on my channel in like a while. I think I did one for my birthday. I did my birthday beat, which was cute. Just too much for my own good. Okay, so I'm not gonna do, I was gonna do a wing liner, but I feel like black will be too harsh. So I'm gonna take my flat Morphe M432 brush, and I'm gonna take Dusk and Nighty Night, and that is gonna serve as my eyeliner. And look, if you're not there for like doing a wing liner, I recommend doing this technique because it's simple, it's easy, and it's not too harsh either. I just want it to look smoky. And comment down below if you guys want like a in-depth tutorial on how I do my wing liner. So the same colors I did on my up here, I'm gonna do it on my lower lash line. And I feel like these colors, like I noticed for me, warm tones, like anything that's red or really packed with like warm tone browns, really makes my eye color pop. It makes my eyes look greener than brown. I feel like the camera isn't doing any justice because I'm looking in the mirror now and like my eyes are green. I'm gonna take my Sigma E30 pencil brush and I'm gonna blow this out. If this falls out, it's okay because guess what? You have your setting powder, so you should be good. So I'm zoomed out and that looks really good. I wiped off my setting powder as far as like catching any fallout, and this looks bomb. So for mascara, I'm gonna take my Maybelline Big Shot mascara, which is my favorite mascara ever. I'm just gonna coat my lashes. For lashes, I'm gonna take my favorite lashes. These are the PUR Lashes, and this is in the style DIVA. And they are a tidbit dirty, so when applying your lashes, you kind of want the adhesive to get a little tacky. You never want to apply your lashes on immediately, like right after you put on your lash glue. So while my lashes are getting a little tacky, I'm gonna take my highlighter, my Maybelline Master Chrome highlight, and this is in the color Molten Gold or Fondue. Excuse my wig cap, y'all. Shout out to Brittany Be Stitched here in Birmingham for making my wig. I love my wig. I love wigs. I feel like they are essential for the summertime. It is my protective style. Ooh, look at that. That is gorgeous. Stunning. But I don't really wear nothing else. I'm not wearing my real hair in the summertime, especially straight. Like I can't. It's way too humid and I don't have time for that, so. But I'm thinking about doing my first wash and go because I have my curls. I don't show my curls often, but I really like them and I think they're really pretty. So I don't know. Should I fit? Ooh. Oh, this is a good makeup. Dang. Should I film my first wash and go like on my channel so y'all can experience it with me? Comment down below if that's what you want me to do, because I've been thinking about it, you know, and I've been seeing all these natural hair gurus and I'm like, oh, I want to try it. So I'm gonna apply my lashes. They should be a little tacky by now, so I'm gonna pop these on. So y'all, at my house we have a bird's nest in our door. Like there's a door by the stairwell, and so like we had a bird's nest there, and like one day I was like, my mom was like, oh my god, we have a bird's nest, and we were so excited. And then like I was showing my best friend, I was like, yo, come look at this bird's nest we got. And he's like super duper tall. He was like, you know, it's like eggs in this bird's nest, right? And we were like, I was like, shut up. And I saw the eggs, and this morning they hatched. And like there were 4 eggs, and I think 2 birds hatched. And I was like, oh my god, this is so, it was just a beautiful thing. And they were like itty bitty babies. They were pink and they were moving. I was like, oh my god, this is so beautiful. So I'm gonna line my lips with my favorite. Y'all know BFF3 is my jam. I'm gonna give your lips that extra pout. Go ahead and open line. So I'm gonna take Appy by ColourPop. And I'm gonna go back in with BFF3 to kind of fade it out. Ooh, it's a look. Yeah, somebody see me today. Ooh, yeah, somebody is going to see me today. Girl, you better So I need to do my inner corner highlight, which I did not do. I'm gonna go in my Shayla in Times ColourPop Perception palette. I'm gonna take this color here. Oh, beat. I haven't done a beat like this on my channel in so long. Like, I mean, a beat. Like, I am feeling this. Okay, you know what? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just really feeling this look. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.